Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the desired and the current state in Terraform. So first, let's take a look on this main.tf file, which is my desired state of the infrastructure. As you can see, I have here the provider, which is AWS, and also the resource that I'm going to create, which is an EC2 with the instance type T2 micro. And also I'm specifying a tag. Okay, this is the desired state. On the other hand, we have the current state, which is displayed on the AWS console. As you can see here, I have created this EC2 by using the Terraform configuration that I just shown. So this is my current state, and as expected, both states, current and desired, are the same. But what happens if someone goes directly to the AWS console and update and change this EC2? Let's say that I'm going to change it to a different instance type. So I'm going to stop it. Okay, and now I'm going to change the instance type here and here. Now I'm going to select T2 small and I'm going to apply. As you can see, now my EC2 is T2 small instead of T2 micro. It is stopped at the moment. So let's go to the command line and let's execute Terraform refresh. This command will gather all the information from the AWS or the cloud provider. So the tfstate file will take the changes. As you can see, it will say that it will refresh. Okay, if you refresh the state, as you can see, and now I can cat the Terraform TFSTATUS file, and here we can see the new information about the EC2. It is stopped and now is a T2 small. But this means that the desired state and the current state are not the same, which is not expected behavior. And for doing that, I'm going to execute Terraform apply so I can force both states to be the same. Here internally it's running the Terraform state, the Terraform refresh again, and now is modifying the EC2 instance to change the instance type from T2 small to T2 micro. Still modifying. Okay, it just finished. As you can see, there were no resources added, but one has changed. So let's go to the console. Let me refresh this. Now is T2 small. After I refresh is now T2 micro, which is the desired state. So this is very important because we need to know that this is our truth. These files that will be stored in a remote repository or something like that are the infrastructure or the state that you need all your infrastructure objects. So that's why it's important to know this difference. Uh, this is all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.